Hey Tracie's Place fam, welcome back. I have another Dollar Tree haul. This is a holiday haul, so please pay attention to these items because I am going to do something with these, or maybe by the time you see this video, I have already done something with these items. So go back about 4 videos and see what I've done with these, but you're going to want to see this, especially if you are last minute gift buyers. You're going to want to see this. This is so easy, so simple, and so affordable. So let's get started. Okay, so this is kind of a big haul, so I'm going to go through this as quick as possible. These are going to be varied kinds of items because they are for, like I said, gift purchasers. I'm going to tell you what to do with them at the end of this video, and then you're going to go back and watch the result of all these products. So let's go ahead and get started. I have here, I got several bags, so let me get going. I got this chocolate chip, basically dough or chocolate chip cookie mix from Betty Crocker, $1 from Dollar Tree, of course. And then I got this whisk, and I have this spatula, and it's so cute in black and red. I have this mitt, this oven mitt. So I'm just going to put some of this stuff here. Because I got so much stuff, y'all. I was just getting ideas and ideas and ideas as I was going through the store. And you all should be so excited when you get to the end of this. But I have some dishwashing cloths here too, in gray and white. You can make this matchy-matchy, or, you know, however you want to do it. I am going to try to keep the kitchen items together. See if I can do that. Okay. And I have these little popcorn containers. These are so cute. It comes 2 in a pack for $1, of course. And then I got the popcorn to go with it, and this is movie theater butter. I also got this little snack bag of pretzels. These are so good, y'all. These Snack Factory pretzel crisps. You can make dips to go with these. That caramel apple dip that I make goes with this. Will go really good with that. I'll try to link that at the end. But that is so good. And then I have this Intimates hot chocolate. And you can, of course, go somewhere else, probably Kroger's or whatever, and get a big regular size, hot chocolate pack. And it probably has like 8 to 10 packs in there. But this is just fine for the size, or the thing that I'm doing with this. So I have these Martinelli's. This is sparkling cider. So we have that. I also have this kitchen towel. It says, "Home is where our family gathers." So that is cute. Anything else for the kitchen? Not really. I don't think so. So I'm going to move on. This is the Sweet Dreams. And this is a eye mask that you wear at nighttime. Some people have problems going to sleep if it's like light on in the room, or if their alarm clock is lit up, or, you know, there's light coming in the window. So that's good for that. And I have, let's see, this eye mask, this cooling eye mask. You can put this in the refrigerator or whatever. Just follow the directions on the back. It says place in the refrigerator for no more than 60 minutes, or in the freezer for no more than 10 minutes. But anyway, this is nice for those swollen eyes. So that is nice. And let's see what else is here. These bath bombs. These are cherry blossom. And cherry blossom smells so good. So good. So that's from Spa Naturals. And of course, like I said, just from Dollar Tree. Y'all know it's just $1. And I got these Kleenex little not trial packs. They're like carry along. So you take those, have them handy at church or wherever. Just put them in your purse, in your car, glove compartment. They are so handy, so handy. I love Yardley, y'all. And that's an old school soap. But it's apple blossom, and this smells really good. Got some peppermints, the soft mints that kind of like melt in your mouth almost. You just have to chew them a little bit. Those are my favorite kind. And for decor, and I'll show you what this is going to be for later, like I said. But these are 10 pieces in this box. It's 10 ornaments. These are snowflakes. So cute to decorate with. And I got another one. This is 6-piece. These are bigger. Those are cute. And I got one of these little notepads. These are so handy. And I know some people just type stuff in their phone they want to remember, but some people still on old school, and that's me. These little notepads. I'll be having little notes everywhere because I don't carry my phone all around the house with me. Sometimes it's in my purse in the car, and you know, all that. And those little sticky note things with the lines on them are so handy. Okay, let's see. Got another pack of tissue. This was in another pack already. So I got some makeup remover wipes. When I say this was a big haul, this was a big haul, y'all. And I got these. All of these lip glosses and lipsticks and stuff. And this is Happiness. I got Happiness, Just Kissed. I got Clear. Also, I have this Clarity. It is a lipstick and a lip gloss together. I love these. Love these. And I need to just buy and stock them up for myself. That's what I need to do too. But I like these. Y'all, I tried this already because I bought one already. I tried it. I kept it for myself. Y'all, this is a good... well, LA Colors, it's $1. And I guess when it was out, like, real heavy in other stores, and it's still out. They have it at Walmart and other stores. But it's just $1. And this, I have been looking around for eyeliner because I love Avon's eyeliner. But I don't have an Avon lady. I know I could go online probably, but... this is good, y'all. I have been using this for the past week. My sister told me about this one, and I think I showed it in a previous haul. But I've been using the one I bought in the last haul, and I got some more. So I'm going to stock up on these. My sister said she stocked up on them because you never know when things are going to discontinue or, you know, they just stop selling in the store. So I'm going to stock up on those for $1. And they're the auto eyeliners that roll up. You don't have to sharpen up. I hate sharpening my eyeliner pencil. So that's good for $1. You cannot beat that. Beauty cream, this Dove beauty cream. You can also get it in the navy blue pack. I think it's a little thicker. So I have both, but I bought one of these. And on to the next bag. I got these little gift bag or gift box stuffers. And this is the gift tissue. I got 3 packs of that, and you just put it in your gift item that you're giving away. I got this exfoliating bath mitt, and this, you know, a scratchy, of course, to get your dead skin cells off, but it feels good too. I think this is a foot file. Yeah, I think that's a foot file because it has this little hard and this exfoliator here. So this is a foot file. So that's that. Also, let's see. Okay, it's mixed now because I've gotten the bags confused. But this is some oh y'all, this is the best popcorn I have ever tasted. Y'all know I love Pop Secret home style, and that's good with my caramello candy bar and some milk. But this by itself, oh my Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. This Angie's Boom Chicka Pop Sweet and Salty Kettle Corn. Y'all, this is so good. You can get it from, this is $1, of course, from Dollar Tree. But you can get it from Sam's and probably Costco. big bag. I got a big bag for like $3 and something some months ago. I didn't even go restock because I know it's not good for me. If I have it in the house, I would just eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. So I have not bought any more since, and that has taken a lot of willpower. It is so good. So get some of that. And then for the hot chocolate, I have these mini marshmallows. Woo-hoo. Drop some. And this little coffee cup, it says, have faith, treasure family, and enjoy friends. Got that. And also, we have these caramel clauses, the little chocolate Santas, and they have caramel in them. So I go, ooh, I am just knocking over stuff. Okay, and let's see. All right. These little measuring cups, I have those. And let's see. Put this for last because that's not Dollar Tree. I have this calendar. You can use it for your kitchen. Well, you should use it for your kitchen, I would think, because it says Family Kitchen. And it has all kinds of little nice kitchen type pictures for each month. So hopefully you can see that. So that's that. And I have these antibacterial hand wipes. I have some fudge brownie mix. I have some Glad storage bags, the zipper quart size. I have this little facial cleanser brush. And I have this back scrubber for you in the shower or the bath if you can't reach your back good. And I have this little bath burst. You can put it in your bath water or in the shower on your foot area, and it lets up an aroma if you do that. And this is one of my favorite little petroleum jellies. It smells so good. That little Baby Love petroleum jelly. And there's a little tin. That's a little tin you can put some goodies in. Okay, and the last little thing is this, and this is a hint. This little container here, and this gift bag. Okay, got that. And then this little item here was not from Dollar Tree, and like you can put other items in this little thing that I'm making up here. If you want to, you put other things from other stores, of course, but these are salted caramels. I got these from Aldi's. They're in the candy section, like when in our stores when you first walk in. So these are so good, y'all. Salted chocolate, and this is dark chocolate, sea salted caramels. They are delicious. They are delicious. So anyway, now I'm going to tell you what to do with all this stuff. Make gift bags and gift baskets. Yes, gift bags and gift baskets. And if you go ahead and go on to the other video, I'll link it at the end of this. And you can see how I put it all together and the easy and affordable way you can give gifts this Christmas, even at the last minute. So go on to the next video. See y'all next time.